everybody! Today's recipe is seafood. Very delicacy. This is made with sablefish or black cod. In Korean, Eundaegu. We are going to make Eundaegu-jorim, braised black cod with radish. This fish is very delicious and also kind of fatty. It contains a lot of good in fat, like omega-3 acid. In many cultures, that's very popular because fish by itself is very kind of smooth and soft and fatty, and texture is so good. Little flaky and soft, melting in your mouth. How do you cook this fish? Just, sprinkle some salt and grilled with butter. It tastes so good. But we Koreans are making kind of a different style, kind of salty and also, spicy. And always we have to use radish. After cooking, this radish is so good. Korean radish. I need 1 pound. Also, I prepared this black cod 1 pound. 1 pound, 1 pound. Just cut around a ½ inch thick. That's 1 pound. I'm going to braise using this my pot. Put it just like this. Add 2 cups of water. And then cover and cook over medium-high heat for 15 minutes. So I'm going to make a seasoning sauce and some vegetables. 6 cloves of garlic. Let's mince. Let's put this in the bowl. Add some gochugaru, about 1 tablespoon. Brown sugar or white sugar, anything, just 1 teaspoon. 1/3 cup soy sauce. This is jinganjang. And ½ teaspoon cooking oil. We made this seasoning sauce, and then just we need that, onion, green onion, and green chili pepper. The large green onion, 대파. Cut like coarsely. And green chili pepper too. And onion. Now radish is now really boiling. So this time I kind of mentioned this fish, black cod. This is from Alaska. We consider this best quality, and I bought this frozen and I throw it out in the refrigerator. It's already filleted. When you find the black cod, it's just a whole fish, and you cut it off or remove the whole intestine and slice around just 1 inch thick. Use a slice, including bones. You see radish? Like almost half of water is gone after 15 minutes of medium-high heat. And then I will just add onion first, and green chili pepper, and also green onion. Let's add fish. Sauce. And cover. Turn down the heat to medium. Cook another 10 minutes. 10 minutes passed. Let's see. Oh wow. Radish. Just push it a little bit and make some kind of an empty spot. And then like this. Scoop some broth and put it over this fish and all over. So you just can move around the radish a little bit so that radish is not going to burn. I see that my radish is a little, I want to more absorb this broth. So 5 minutes more. Okay. And today I'm going to show you how I eat with the other side dishes. Radish is now ready. I'm going to braise a little more, a couple of minutes like this. This is medium heat, and so that all flavors are incorporated together. Nice. Look at that radish. Wow, looks so good. So it's very flaky. So really you need to be careful not to break. You see radishes, look at that. Nice. Today's main side dish is just Eundaegu-jorim. I just made this Eundaegu-jorim and some side dishes. All these recipes are available on my website. Some green vegetable, I blanched this with mixed with seasoning paste made with doenjang, Korean doenjang, sesame oil, and also a little bit soy sauce and garlic. And this is 장조림, 계란 장조림. This time I used also beef and egg 장조림. Cubed radish kimchi, 콩나물 무침, kimchi and lettuce. Look at that, radish so good. Easily you can cut it with your spoon. And what I'm doing is some rice here and this flaky soft black cod and little bit radish, very juicy, and wrap. Flaky fish is very soft and fatty and really melting, buttery, like almost. And also radish by itself is so sweet when it's cooked. Today I showed you how to make Korean side dish Eundaegu-jorim, braised black cod with radish. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.